Y'all, it is Ipsy unboxing time. We're just gonna go straight for it. This is the November Ipsy box. Ooh, alright, here is the bag. This theme is glow off this winter. And then this first thing in here is Cairo Lift eye masks. Alright, Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the shade 01. Ooh, how pretty is that? Then we have Saturday Skin. It's a moisturizing cream. We have a Brilliant Cleansing Balm from Femu. Sorry if I said that wrong. Okay, Ballerine Eyeshadow Palette from Elman. Pretty. Alright, and that is it for the little bag. But this month we have all 3 sizes of the boxes. This first one was the glam bag. You get 5 beauty samples. You get to pick one of them. The value is up to $70 and it's only $14 a month. Okay, next up we have the BoxyCharm. It is 5 full-size beauty products. You get to choose 3 of those products. It's a $200 value and you only pay $30 a month. Ooh, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. This is the Spectrum Brush Club 3-piece face brush set. I love this packaging. The Violet Voss Disco Drip eyeshadow palette. Y'all, that's so pretty. Or Due to the Gods. It is a hyaluronic lip butter and is apple sugar plum. Toulouse by Rosie Jane. And it is a fragrance vanilla. Hin Winky Wood, and Nude Musk. That is so good. Yeah, that smells really, really, really good. I'm obsessed with that now. It's very vanilla, which is my number one go-to. I love vanilla. And then we have Ren Clean Skincare. It is a radiant exfoliating facial, non-stripping triple action exfoliation. Okay, and that is it for that box. Now we are on to the big boy. Icon box. You get 8 celeb curated full-size products. It can be up to $350 and it is $60 every quarter. Ooh. Origins Ginseng SPF 30 Daily Moisturizer. Fenty Skin Cherry Dub Triple Action Body Scrub. Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Their packaging is always so cute. Keys Soul Care Truly Becoming Multi-Benefit Peptide Serum with Marine Bamboo and Hyaluronic Acid. Dr. Babor Clean Formula Awakening Eye Cream. Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara in black. I have like 4 family members that keep asking me for mascara, so we'll see which one gets it. This is the Laura Mercier. It is Caviar Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Dark Plum. That's so pretty. Finally, the Tartelette Juicy Palette. How pretty, y'all! You can see my really good setup right now. I'm using a literal cup to hold the phone up. I got called out on that one. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. That was the November Ipsy box. If y'all like these Ipsy unboxings, I say this every single video. I have been doing them for over a year or so now, so they're all on my page. Thank you, Ipsy, as always. Love you so much. I am so excited to try some of these products and then give them away to my family members and whatnot because we love to share. But yeah, I plan on doing a big makeup giveaway and whatnot in December for holiday, Christmas time, whatever you want to say. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you're following so that y'all can enter to win.